What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Redfish Bluetail. Doing a little urban, as you can see the bridge up there, a little urban floodtide fishing today. It's late. It's like November 18th or 19th. I mean, we're a week from Thanksgiving. Yeah, the Thursday before Thanksgiving. This is pretty late for a flood tide. You know, the water starts to drop pretty cold. The bait fish don't come in the floods anymore. And the hermit crab, the fiddler crabs tend to go deep to warm areas. So I was out 2 days ago. I saw a few fish just kind of cruising. Didn't see them tailing. We'll see what happens later. All right, guys, I got a fly rod and a rod and reel. There's a fish about 15, 20 yards up. Gonna go rod and reel first and then see what happens. Oh no, I just zipped this up in there. There we go. This is super skinny water. I may spook this guy, it's so shallow. See the small ripples. He's moving away from me. He may know I'm here. He's moving pretty good away from me right now. Right into the grass too. Right where I don't want him to go. There he goes. Oh my goodness. Oh. Spooked him. You guys saw that. Well, I literally pulled up on the flat and saw that fish immediately. So the fish are still here. They're still eating. Before I could get the camera going, the fish was tailing pretty hard. I mean, look how deep I am. I mean, I'm just above my ankle. The reason I bought the paddleboard today too is because when I was out a couple days ago, the water got really deep on me, and I got a little deeper than I wanted to in chilly water. So I brought the paddleboard so I can kind of stay elevated today and not get so cold. All right, guys. Right off my rod, probably 20 yards out. He's over here now. Tracking right there. You can see the swirls. He's moving away from me pretty good. When you drop it on its head, that's gonna happen. All right, 2 fish, 2 spooks. That's where we're at right now. I've got one in this tall grass over here, which is gonna be tricky. He's right in front of me. Oh, I got another one over there. Okay. Two fish here. One there, one there. This one's easier. Oh shit. You can see him up there, right? Oh man. Oh, see that one spooked right there. What a fish, man. Redfish, blue tail. Crush that eye strike jig. Easy, bud. Easy, 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 easy. All right, buddy. You chunk, dude. Look at that belly. Look at that fat belly and that gorgeous blue tail. Alrighty, dog. Let's let you go. Oh, he's gone. Dang. He bolted. I didn't really get to do a proper release. Adios, my man. Till next time. Well, there you go. There's the first fish. So I spooked the first three. Went back to the rod and reel because it was quite a distant cast. Didn't even try the crab yet. I'm gonna switch the fly rod now. But pretty cool, the long distance cast from the paddleboard. Yeah, I don't know if you'll see the first cast. I may edit it, but it was shit. Right in front of me. It was a really bad one. But then second one, bam, he inhaled it. Let's go get another one. Later. Man, this was actually the coolest eat. The fish came out of this pool through this thick grass into there. He went right underneath my board. You can see where my pole is. He ate. Let me just show you how the bottom looks. You can see bottom. I saw the eat, and it was right there where those white bubbles are. I don't know if you can see it, but that's pretty awesome. Yeah, man, that's pretty cool. Still trying to bring this guy in, man, I don't know what's going on with my GoPro. I put a good battery in there with 50%, and it's just not turning on. So we'll see what happens. Let me get this guy caught and released later. Bummer, he kind of kicked off right when I went to grab the hook. So unfortunately, I didn't get to release that guy. I'm gonna work on this GoPro real quick because there's fish dancing all around me, man. I want you guys to see this stuff. If not, I'll just try to use my iPhone as best as possible, but it's just not the same shots. That eat was probably the coolest eat I've seen on a flat like this, simply because he swam literally underneath my paddleboard. I just kind of flicked the bait out there like my man Redfish in 321 on Instagram does, and he hammered it. Time to switch up to the fly though. Let me see if I can get one on the fly. Well, all right guys, back off the water. Again, sorry about the GoPro. I'm not really sure what happened. both batteries went dead, and then I kind of started swapping them out and then put the other one back in, and it kicked on for like 3%. And I don't know what was going on, but sorry I just couldn't film that last fish I caught. But end of the day, with 2 fish on November 19th, they're still in there. While the numbers were down, I only saw probably 7, 8 fish total. They were in there. They were happy. They were tailing big time, and you know, it was still a fun day to get on the water. I mean, I got a sweatshirt, a thermal underwear, and a t-shirt. I mean, it was chilly out there, which is why I took the paddleboard. I just didn't want to wade through thigh-deep water. I appreciate you guys following along. Smash that subscribe button for more weekly videos of fishing. Later, guys.